So this is the spanner for the ER40 collet holder I've got. Now, to accurately torque up the head, I need to either make one of these from scratch that attaches to my torque wrench, or adapt this one. Well, I'm going to adapt this one. So what I've done is this was on here, so I've just cut the end off so I could get it off, because obviously it was sort of bonded through that hole. And I've got an old broken extension, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to weld this into the ends there. So I'm just going to mill out a circle and then weld it into the end. So then I've got a 3/8 drive, and I need to achieve 176 Newton meters, which is 130 pounds-feet, which sounds to me an awful lot, but that is the correct figure. I've double checked it. With the extension on here to the centre, that's where I've gone. I've got calculated as 114 Newton meters, because obviously the extra reach of this and my torque wrench, the calculation works out that my torque wrench needs to be set to 114 Newton meters to achieve 176 Newton meters at the centre here. So, just going to put it in the vise, machine a pocket on the end, ready to be welded in. So I've gone round it with a grinder, cleaned it all up, and just got to work out really which is the best way to do it, because the torquing that way to do it up. So I think that's the way I'll do it. Weld it on that way so the C's that direction. Now pretty level there actually. Put the earth underneath. Now I don't know whether this rubber is going to burn or not. No idea. I thought it's silicone. If it is silicone it'll be alright, but if it isn't it's going to catch light, isn't it? Right, that'll do. Chop that off. Give it a touch up with a flat wheel. So you saw me make this in the in a previous video, as well as this, all now brightly lovely painted, because when you left it, or when I left the video, it was just a bit rusty metal. So it's all nicely painted now, and it's all yeah, okay, so I need painted spanner, whatever. Anyway, so got this converted 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive ratchet, length for this, calculation, pounds feet, drops from I can't remember what it was now, 170 something Newton meters, which is 130 pound feet, and that with the conversion length of this, 114 Newton meters, which was 84 pounds feet.